Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back today to talk to you about my jewelry, my outfit, my bag of the day, and then most importantly, another unboxing. This one coming directly from Coach Outlet. Now, to start, I do want to talk about, I'm wearing this kind of a gold tone sweater, and I can't give you a link for that because I got it from my local boutique a couple years ago. But with it, I'm wearing this beautiful David Yurman ring with a champagne topaz and some 18 karat gold around the diamonds. I'm still wearing Old Reliable Stack, the Rigo diamond tennis bracelet and the rope gold bracelet. This was a necklace that was my grandma's, and I had 2 rope bracelets made out of it. And then I've got the Stoller wedding / marriage ring on, and I just love this. It's all yellow gold, has diamonds down the side, and then the center of it, the very center, has some white gold. Okay, enough about that. Finally, my Sam's Club necklace that I picked up, and these bling bling diamond earrings that I got from Newton's. I just love these. They were an estate piece though, so again, I can't give you links or anything for those, but they do have a great estate section, and if you're looking for something, you might just ask, call them up, ask, hey, do you have any diamond earrings, or do you have any new rings, and they can send you pictures. So that is kind of what I got on top. What I look like when I put my bag on is this. So I've got the Alma BB, and this is in the black empreinte. I've got the, this is the Blossom Chain Charm, I believe. It's beautiful. It has some gunmetal and gold and silver. Stepping back, you can see how it's fitting with my sweater and my can-can jeans. It's a super easy bag to wear. The strap is wider than the other Alma BB straps. The empreinte straps are much nicer. They're still not adjustable, but I really like it. And then to top it off, these are the shoes I'm wearing today. They're by Coach. So it's a pretty fun look, wouldn't you say? All right, without further ado, I'm going to do the unboxing. Yay! Okay, let's do it. Autumn Beckman recommended this tool. If anybody wants to know where to get it, I can post that in the description box too. I went for over 40 years not having the proper equipment to open boxes, and as I have gotten older, my skin gets scratches and cuts way easier than it used to. Well, luckily it's fully wrapped, but once again, Coach used a box that was way too big for my item. I mean, it's just kind of ridiculous. They could put a few pieces of maybe tissue paper in or air paper, and then it wouldn't bounce around. But that said, it looks like it's relatively well wrapped. Looking at it, I'm not sure it's factory wrapped. Let's give it a look. I think this outfit would look pretty good with this bag too. All right, here we go. Da, 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 da. Ooh. Now this is completely sold out now on the outlet, but if you like it, I would recommend checking in there from time to time, even calling the 1-800 number with Coach, because sometimes they can locate one for you. And looking at this, okay, so I have the metallic gold one. I'm not going to fully unwrap this. I need to look at it a little bit more, kind of on my own, have a little bit of time with it to figure out whether or not I'm going to keep it, but I'm pretty sure I am. Isn't it beautiful? The leather is so soft. And I mean, it is fully factory wrapped, so no one else has had their hands on this one. There's a little bit of puckering right here, but I think I'm okay with that. Let me grab my gold one. Okay, here's my gold one. You can see there's a little bit of puckering there too, like here and here, but honestly, I can't really even see it on the gold one. Let me look at it now on this one. I think the main difference is I've got a little bit right here, and it may be able to be rubbed out. Let me give that a little bit of a shot. Oh yeah, that already made it a million times better. All I did was rub on it a little bit. The center part is almost completely smooth now. And the side parts, well, they're about the same, but the center part definitely improved. I don't know. See? It's kind of puckered up funny to me, but I need to look at it a little bit longer. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, let's get real here. As far as the Willis 18 that I just unboxed, I am not crazy about how the leather is puckering around the piece that locks. And not only that, when I looked a little closer, the leather on that piece does not have a sheen on one chunk of it. It's like it didn't get glazed. And on top of that, there's a little spot that will not come off with coach cleaner. So I just think it's not meant to be. I am going to send that one back. I already called Coach. They sent me a free label to return it. No problem. Here's to another pretty successful unboxing, I would say. And I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Please give me a big like. Subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much.